Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can feed your cat in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. You need to feed your cat to level up your cat caring hobby. Okay, after you feed your cat, you will increase your proficiency in cat caring hobby. And first thing first, of course, you need to find your cat, and then you can click on this icon. Then you can feed the cat with fish or the cat food. Okay, and my cat is still full, guys. But if your cat is hungry, you can just select the food and click on feed like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can feed your cat in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!